Go away.
And here we go with the finest you could find. Love those signs, everybody. Such respect. Gotta love those signs, man. Like they really know what they're talking about. And look at that, hate breeds. Trump has done more good for people than these little idiots know. He's paid off chemotherapy for people, he's paid their mortgages, and he's done a lot more. All right? Look at this. Look at the face, the fucking flag that my father fought for. Fuck you. Fuck you, you call me bastard.
Down for the bush. Down for the bush.
You stupid morons. Get a fucking education. Get a goddamn education. NRA. 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 My father fucking fought for your goddamn country, you goddamn pig. You call me bastard.
Yes.
Communist, get the fuck out of America then. Get out.
Shame what happened to India.
You want no guns? When you're robbed and almost murdered, don't call the police then. How's that? How's that? Don't call the police to save your fucking ass. You stupid bastards.
What are you doing here today, man?
Well, I'm here because I'm very upset with what's going on. And I'm very angry that no one can talk. This solves nothing, all right? Our Second Amendment, we have a right to have our guns. But we need stronger vetting, big time. We also need metal detectors in schools if we don't have them. We need stepped up security in the schools. Right? We're not for hurting our children. We are not for letting them get hurt and shot and killed. No, but I'm not a communist. I don't see one American flag. Not one. Most of these are punk children. You think for 1 minute this solves anything? No. When we can sit down and intellectually talk with one another, heart to heart, that's when things will change. The hate that I see out here, it makes me so angry, you guys. I want our children safe. I want you safe. When I was attacked, robbed, and had to have an operation, if I had a gun, it could have helped me. I was almost killed, all right? I'm not saying shoot everybody out there, no. But if they don't want guns, then when they get hurt, don't call the police.
Thank you so much for talking with us. What's your name?
My name is Susan Miller, and you, who are you with?
Russell Maduri.
You know who I used to know? I think John Miller used to be with you guys many years ago.
Is that so? I've only been there for about a year.
You're doing a good job, and I'm not big on mainstream, but I'm proud of you.
Well, we do our best to make sure that everybody can be heard authentically. So. All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I was just interviewed by CBS. We'll see if it gets on. They're not bad. I mean, they're not the propaganda shit that I got stuck with. This is crazy.
Trump 2020.
Trump. You demanded change, but you're not willing to talk about it. You're not willing to sit down like mature adults and talk about it. You want to come out here and scream with your fuck you signs. Why don't you sit down and talk about it like adults? That's how you make a change. And if you don't want guns, don't call the cops when your life is in danger. How's that? How's that one? You dumb bastards. All right? You don't want guns? Don't call the cops if your life is in danger. You don't even respect the police. Your goddamn mayor doesn't even respect them. Grow the fuck up. Grow up.
Go off like little sheep. Like little sheep. Go.
How much is George Soros paying you? Uncle Georgie. Uncle George Soros. How about de Blasio? How about de Blasio? What a sham. What a shame for New York City. You ought to be ashamed. You ought to be ashamed. You ought to be ashamed. You're showing you what you really are. You don't want peace. You don't want harmony. You just come out here to protest. You're being paid to fucking do this.
Trump all the way! Trump all the way! Trump all the way!
You goddamn losers.
Losers! Losers!
Where's the flag?
Losers!
We got the flag. We got the American flag right here. Where's their American flag? Where's your fucking American flag? You don't like it here? Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out.
Philly, baby, Philly.
Yeah, my father was in World War II at 16. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck all of you, you goddamn commie motherfuckers. That's the language that you know. You don't know how to talk right.
Losers! March on, losers!
Goddamn punk kids. Sit down and talk about it. Sit down and talk about it. You don't know how. You don't know how to talk. You don't know how to talk.
The train to Dockhouse leaving, go!